A sister says, my mother and I are the ones cooking iftar for the whole family during the month of Ramadan, including my brothers who do not pray and sleep whole day and wake up at iftar time without taking advantage of the month. Do we still qualify to get the reward of cooking for them? The answer is yes. And you would be more rewarded if you would try to give da'wah to your brothers and siblings in a very kind and diplomatic and indirect way, so that may Allah Azza wa Jal open their chests and hearts to the words of truth. That would add more value than cooking. But without any doubt, cooking for them and serving them during the month of Ramadan is highly rewardable.